Okay, well, let's try. They said first thing you have to remove is this factory hose. All right. This is my friend Jack.
Hi, I'm the friend Jack.
This is the owner of the bike, so we're gonna do it. Well, what we're gonna do?
Well, this is a 2008 Honda Goldwing, 1800. On this model, the front and rear brakes are not integrated. So it has very poor braking ability with the brake pedal. And with my disability, I use the brake pedal primarily for braking. That's pretty much all I use. So I called the company about the brake pads, told them about the situation. It's a Roadsmith trike conversion. And they told me that they have a kit to put on this bike that will integrate the front and the rear brakes together. And it was only $39, $29 for the kit. So by all means, we're gonna put this on here and we're learning as we go. So this gentleman here was kind enough to come over and to help me with this modification. He put new brake pads on the rear and we put the kit in. So this is what he's showing, because there's nothing online that shows anything about how to install one of these. So we're hoping to make this a little bit easier for the next guy or gal.
All right, good. Well, that was the first step. Remove that cover, remove the banjo bolt on that side, and we're going to check inside here. I've been doing some work here last night, and okay, this is the hose that comes from the master cylinder. We're going to discard this, totally delete it forever. Okay, in order to reach this, you have to remove the drive shaft. That's pretty easy. You just have to remove 4 nuts from here and play a little bit with the drive shaft and it will come out. Okay, now this thing you see here, this part, this aluminum part, okay, and this banjo bolt we're taking from here. They come installed in this hose. Okay, you have to remove them from here and install them as I show you on the front tire, on the front wheel. Okay, now you're gonna find these 2 hoses. They're similar. Okay, you have to remove the caps. This is an adapter. This is an adapter. It comes with the bike. Okay, this is the other adapter, and it has this cap. There was a cap here too, so you have to remove one of those. Well, you have to remove both, and in this case I'm pulling this. I'm activating the brake, okay, the rear brake, to see which one of these squirts brake fluid. In this case was this one. As a reference, is the one that goes to the back, but you have to test it. Okay, this is the kit. Okay, it's already installed. Okay, the other end of the braided hose that I removed at the beginning goes here to this part, color blue. Okay, this comes with the kit. This coupling comes with the kit. So once you remove the hose, you have to install this adapter and then your kit, the straw. Okay, metal brake line. Let's show you. It's like this. So okay, I hope you can see. You see how it's leaking every time I activate the brakes. So this is my hose. This hose is the one that's gonna fit the rear tires. Okay, do it like so, and I'm gonna put this cap and this guy here. At the end, once you finish here, it should look like this. Cap your kit installed, and the other hose attached there to the master cylinder from the outside. Now, this hose is the one that I showed you before. It's gotta be attached here. You have to reroute it. It's a little bit difficult, but it's possible, you know. Just play Tetris a little bit inside there, and it will. You can do this. Okay. As you finish here, it should look like this. Okay. You have to zip tie these things, and the other hose right here to the master cylinder. Okay. All right.